Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a thrilling exploration of the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i. In this exhilarating journey, we delve into the mastery of German engineering, uncovering the mesmerizing blend of an open-air roadster, and join us as we navigate the intricacies of this automotive marvel, shedding light on its remarkable features and unrivaled capabilities. Prepare yourself for an immersive experience as we leave no stone unturned in our pursuit of automotive excellence. First and foremost, the design of this car is incredibly captivating. With its bold and refined contours, sleek lines, and instantly recognizable kidney grille, it exudes the unmistakable essence of BMW. However, this car is not simply a feast for the eyes. The impeccably engineered retractable soft top effortlessly opens and closes in a mere 18 seconds, instantly transforming the driving experience. Imagine the sheer pleasure of cruising along the coastline, the wind delicately caressing your hair, and the sensation of being the star of your movie. By the way, did you happen to catch James Bond behind the wheel of the new Z4? But I digress. Step inside the cabin, and you'll be enveloped in a refined atmosphere. Characterized by the finest materials and meticulous craftsmanship, the ergonomically designed seats provide unparalleled comfort and support, while the driver-focused layout evokes the sensation of being in the cockpit of a high-performance fighter jet. The advanced technology at your fingertips includes a cutting-edge touchscreen infotainment system and a sophisticated digital instrument cluster, ensuring that you stay connected and in control. You can also rely on the state-of-the-art driver assistance features to enhance your driving experience. It is worth noting, however, that due to its sleek design, the Z4 does have limited cargo space. It's advisable to pack lightly for your weekend getaways. Enjoy the journey in pure elegance and exhilaration with the BMW Z4. Brace yourselves for an adrenaline-fueled ride with the M40i, the impeccable engine, with utmost grace and ferocity. The M40 commands attention with its awe-inspiring 382 horsepower, turbocharged inline-six configuration that catapults you from a standstill to a breathtaking 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.9 seconds. Prepare to be enthralled by the harmonious blend of power and sophistication, as this automotive masterpiece delivers a symphony of precision and performance. The standard 8-speed automatic transmission effortlessly glides through gears, while the all-new 6-speed manual transmission option heralds a paradisiacal experience for purists, offering an unparalleled level of driver engagement and control. Immerse yourself in the sheer perfection of flawlessly executed heel-toe downshift as you dance through curves with absolute finesse. Embrace the epitome of automotive excellence and revel in the distinguished allure of the M40. However, power alone is not sufficient without proper control. The Z4 excels in this aspect, thanks to its impeccable steering response, exceptional handling, and adaptive suspension system. The car effortlessly maneuvers through tight corners with remarkable confidence, yet still delivers a refined and smooth ride. Its suspension strikes the perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, providing an exhilarating driving experience for both spirited drives and leisurely cruises. When it comes to safety, the Z4 prioritizes your well-being. Equipped with advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring as standard, the Z4 ensures that you're protected to enhance your peace of mind. You can also choose from a range of optional packages that offer even more security. Whether you're an experienced driver or an enthusiast craving adventure, the Z4 is designed to provide unmatched safety and confidence. Fuel efficiency is an important consideration for many car buyers. While the Z4 boasts a powerful engine, it's worth noting that its fuel efficiency is around 25 mpg combined. This might be a point to consider for those looking for a more economical option. However, it's important to remember that when purchasing a sports car, factors such as fuel economy may not be the top priority for most buyers. Now, before visiting the dealership, let us carefully evaluate the Z4 in comparison to its competitors. The Porsche 718 Boxster delivers comparable performance and handling, albeit with a greater emphasis on track-oriented driving dynamics and a notably higher cost. On the other hand, The Audi TT Roadster presents a more visually appealing option, yet it falls short in terms of power and the overall driving experience offered by the Z4. Ultimately, the suitable choice for you will depend upon your specific priorities and financial considerations. So, should you buy the 2025 BMW Z4 M40i? Absolutely. With its stunning design, exhilarating performance, and advanced technology, it's a true embodiment of automotive excellence. Whether you're a thrill-seeker craving adrenaline-pumping drives or a luxury enthusiast seeking unparalleled comfort and style, the BMW Z4 M40 delivers on all fronts. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the 2025 BMW Z4 M40. See you next one.